How to post anonymously on Facebook group. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple. However, keep in mind that this feature and this option does work for some groups and it does not work for others, depending on which group you are trying to anonymously post in. It might or might not have this feature. So let's go ahead and see how it's done. Open Facebook and let me first go ahead to a random group that does have this feature. Say for example this one right here. If we scroll down to the posting section, you can see it says right here anonymous post, meaning that this group does have this feature. So let's click to post something. Say for example I want to post this thing right here. As you can see at the top, it has a feature or option to turn on the post anonymously. So click on the toggle next to it, and as you can see, once you do that, Facebook here will tells you what an anonymous post do. So click on I want to post anonymously at the bottom to confirm, and as you can see, my profile has turned from uh, my regular profile to the anonymous participant. Let me just turn it off again. Okay, I understand. As you can see here, this is my regular profile and this is the anonymous participant profile, and you can just post just like you usually do, like this. As you can see here, you will get this box that tells you that this will be submitted to admins or moderators for approval. So click on post. As you can see, it's waiting for the approval and it says anonymous participant and my profile is not visible. However, if we visited on a random profile, say for example this one right here, let me just join it quickly. Say, as you can see here, it does not have that anonymous post feature, meaning you cannot post anonymously on this group. As you can see, there's no option to post anonymously, so it depends on the group. So that was it for this video. That's how you can post anonymously on Facebook group. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.